Increase in the number of medical requests for D-dimer during the first wave of COVID-19, a case study of a university hospital in the metropolitan region of the state of Rio de Janeiro. By Paulo Serio de Abreu Jr. and Hae Chung Kang. Introduction. COVID-19 is an infectious disease that mainly affects the respiratory system, and its etiologic agent is the severe acute respiratory syndrome virus. The number of medical requests for D-dimer increased during the COVID-19 pandemic. D-dimer is a fibrin degradation product and is an indirect marker of fibrinolysis. If an individual infected with SARS-CoV-2 evolves with aggravation, a result equal to or greater than 4 times the reference value of this marker at the time of admission is considered a predictor of mortality. The most important exam since the beginning of the pandemic is due to the thrombotic manifestations resulting from the infection. Objective. This study aims to evaluate the variation in the number of medical requests for D-dimer dosage at a given university hospital and its profile in the first wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. Methodology. This is a cross-sectional observational study where the results of patients with a COVID-19 profile identified in the emergency laboratory of a university hospital were quantified, and medical causes for D-dimer dosages in the period from 3 January 2020 to 7 March 2020. Data were collected through qualitative research in the medical records of hospitalized patients with D-dimer requests using the computerized system of the Clinical Pathology Service. Kruskal-Wallis test and Dunn's multiple comparison test were used for the statistical test. Results. In the first half of 2020, 1017 requests were observed. Comparing the first quarter with the second quarter of the same year, there was an abrupt increase of 1274%, no total occurrences from one quarter to the other. Since no first quarter, only 69 requests were detected with a median 22-31 nanograms per milliliter, interquartile range 175 to 15,605. No longer second quarter, this number jumped to a total of 948 requests with a median 2020 nanograms per milliliter, interquartile range 99 to 97,026. Conclusion. Although D-dimer does not have high specificity as a diagnostic tool, it has been very useful as a severity predictor for COVID-19. Despite the enormous impact generated by the substantial increase in demand for D-dimer, demand in this university hospital has provoked a solution of continuity in the provision of services. Further studies in risk and disaster management would be opportune in order to improve the resolving flow for situations that, unfortunately, may occur. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.